Hey everyone, welcome back to Hungry Republic. Today, I'm gonna prove something a lot of people still don't believe, that heart-healthy food doesn't have to be boring. We're making 3 mouth-watering, heart-loving recipes that taste so good, from a zesty citrus salmon bowl to a rainbow quinoa salad and a chocolate avocado mousse. Yep, dessert included. All right, we're kicking things off with a zesty citrus salmon bowl full, high in omega-3s, packed with color, and ready in under 20 minutes. Here's what you'll need. 2 salmon fillets, 1 orange and 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup cooked brown rice, inch avocado, 1 cup steamed broccoli, salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. We'll start by mixing our citrus marinade. Orange juice, lemon juice, olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper. Super simple. Brush that over your salmon and let it sit for about 10 minutes. That citrusy tang not only adds flavor, it's also packed with antioxidants. Now cook the salmon skin side down for about 3-4 minutes per side until golden and flaky. Now, time to build the bowl. Tate. Brown rice at the bottom, top it with salmon, avocado slices, and broccoli. And there you go, a high-protein, high-fiber bowl that supports your heart, your brain, and your taste buds. Next up, let's make something light, crunchy, and bursting with color. Here is my rainbow quinoa salad. It's a fiber powerhouse and helps lower bad cholesterol. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/2 cup cucumber diced, 1/2 cup red bell pepper, 1/2 cup red onion, a handful of parsley, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a dash of cumin. So we've got juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, sweet peppers, and nutty quinoa. Together, they make a salad that's anything but boring. Now, for our simple dressing today, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and just a touch of cumin for that warm flavor. Toss everything together until every grain of quinoa glistens. Look at that color. If your plate looks like a rainbow, your heart's already smiling. It's crunchy, tangy, fresh, everything your body and your heart crave. Make a big batch and store it for up to 3 days. It's perfect for meal prep or as a side dish with grilled chicken or fish. Now let's be honest yet, no meal is complete without dessert, right? But we're keeping it guilt-free with this chocolate avocado mousse. It's creamy, rich, and full of healthy fats that actually help your heart. Here's what you'll need. 2 ripe avocados, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, a splash of almond milk. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help raise your good cholesterol, the HDL kind that protects your heart. Blend everything until silky smooth. You might need to scrape the sides once or twice. Now taste and adjust sweetness to your liking. Oh wow, it's like chocolate pudding's healthier, more sophisticated cousin. You'd never guess it's made with avocados. Top it with a few berries for antioxidants, and you've got a dessert that loves your heart right back. If you loved these recipes, don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps this video reach more people who want to live healthier.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.